Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Task Manager and immediately sorting by CPU to see offenders. This shows which process to target. Once done, make sure you save any work and close obvious heavy apps before deeper changes. Run a quick antivirus scan and check Windows update status, because background updates or malware often spike CPU. This first pass isolates the cause. It also prepares your system, so the next steps can safely change settings and restart services without losing data. Now you act on the culprits, end non-essential high CPU tasks and note their names. Next, switch to the Startup tab and disable programs you don't need at boot. This prevents repeated spikes. Then open Services. MSC to find any service consuming CPU and set it to manual or disabled, only for services you recognize. If a service is critical, choose Automatic Delayed Start instead. These steps reduce background load and change what runs automatically, so CPU usage drops during normal operation. Finish by updating drivers, especially chipset and GPU, because outdated drivers can cause constant CPU interrupts. Then run system repairs. Open an elevated prompt, run sfc/scano, and follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix corrupt system files. If CPU still hits 100%, boot into safe mode and observe Task Manager to see if the same process appears. This narrows hardware versus software causes. If the issue persists, note the exact process name and return to targeted removal or seek specialized tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.